Hello everyone, I'm an English lecturer at CamTech, and it is my pleasure to announce that currently we are offering 2 English programs here. The first English program is the EAP, or English for Academic Purposes. This program is carefully designed for high school and university students who want to further enhance their writing, their reading, listening, and speaking skills. Our priority is to focus on improving students' academic English proficiency to meet the requirements of their studies. The EAP course leads automatically to any chosen major at CamTech University. The second English program is the General English Program, or GEP. The GEP program is designed to provide students with the necessary tools to develop their English skills in the general environments, as well as build their necessary foundations to further develop their writing skills. Successful GEP graduates can also automatically enroll in any chosen academic course at CamTech University. As part of the GEP program, of course, we have many activities. We have presentations. We also have debates. We also have challenging tasks which students need to complete in order to improve and further enhance their English. So, welcome to CamTech and get yourself going and become a global citizen.